This craft kind of exploded last year, and I bought all the supplies for it, but never got around to making it. And I'm going to today see how it turns out. So to begin, we need 4 dice, and I picked these up at the Dollar Tree. They came in a 2-pack, and you can find them in the toy section. I painted my dice with a chalk paint, and I chose to go with the white. Now I'm going to apply the vinyls that I made with my Cricut. I made a 4-leaf clover, a heart, a Mickey head, and a doggy paw. You could choose about any symbol or icon to replace the letter O, and people are still going to know it's home. So after I placed my vinyl on the dice, I decided to put some burlap around it. It's just temporarily put on there with a pen because I'm going to be changing my O out and I might need to readjust that ribbon. And then I added some greenery on top. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this project and what symbols did you use.